Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on Roblox. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Roblox application on my PC. And first of all, if we want to change our display name, we can go to our profile. I'm going to click on my profile here and we can click on this pencil icon or click on edit profile. It will bring us to the same menu. Okay, and this is my current display name. If we want to change it, we can click on this pencil icon or just simply click on the name and we can edit our display name. But as you can see guys, I have just changed my display name, so I need to wait for about 7 days to rename it. You can see here your display name can only be changed once every 7 days, and I have just changed it guys. Alright, and actually we can also change our username, but it costs 1,000 Robux, so it's not free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change our display name on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.